Hi, welcome to my craft room. So today I have a small journal, and for this journal I used 2 kits from Nevermore Creation 17. I'll put a link down below to her website, so if you want to purchase the kit. And the size is approximately 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. So I've dyed some seam binding to match the cover. And for the side here, I put this cute fabric, so the stitching is underneath there, so it's hidden. And I stitched along here and here. And this was in the kit as well. I thought it was so pretty that it would be perfect for the cover. And this here is designer paper. It has 2 signatures with a total of 60 front and back pages, so like this page and this page, and then it's got like these pockets which I didn't count, so there's a few of those in there. So here is the inside cover. We have a small pocket here, like that. I put some lace here since it's lavender and lace. I wanted to add some more lace in there, and I thought that was cute. There's one page. And I did sew this on here, if you can see that. And I did some stenciling to match. And we've got some little tags, pockets. There's a little pocket here. There's a couple tags. Another pocket here with a couple little tags. Or things to write on. And this is like a little floating pocket, so this will so you can put something right in there. And then there's a pocket here. And there's that really pretty page. I just love this kit. I did some more stenciling here. Well, both these kits. A little tag, little writing thing. And then this is a little pad of paper that I had in my stash. So since it was purple, I tossed it in there. Here's a floating envelope. And then here's another pocket. And this is in the center of the page, so I just glued that together. And then I sewed on a piece of muslin and made it like a little tab up top here. And there's some more writing page and stuff. And here I did some light stenciling, which is light enough it can be written over if you want to. And here's another pocket with a tag. And these tags are really cute. They look like they've been dyed. And I put 2 kinds of decoration on that one. There's another blank page, a little stenciling. And then this one has some nice lines for writing, some more stenciling. And here I have a pocket that's sideways. And then here's another little pocket. And I put some lace on that one. And I just, like I said, I just love this kit, all this pretty purple. Another on some more stenciling there, and that's the end of the first signature, and I put this lace on here again. And there's the one like from the cover page. I did a lot of sewing around edges, you can see there. And we have another one there, stenciling. More stenciling and some more stitching. You can see there. I did it in purple. And there's a really pretty page. Another pocket here. Some stitching here. And there is a lace pocket. I got a couple things in there. This is an envelope. Some more tags. And these tags will have stuff in them. I just haven't finished all that, and I wanted to get my video up. There's the center of that one. And I really like that one. All the buds of the lavender. And I have another lace pocket here, another tag, and another envelope. This one opens sideways. So I have lots of pockets. This is another envelope, and there's a couple little card writing places in there. Some more pretty pages, lots of stitching, another side pocket. This one goes like that because this one's bigger. Another one of these that I sewed around. There's two more pretty pages and another side pocket. And there's the last page. I put the ribbon here, lace, and this is another tag, or it can be used as a bookmark. That's kind of what I intended. So it can go like that to save your place. And the back is plain, so if you want to decorate it on your own, you can. So that is the journal, and that's using 2 kits, Pretty in Purple, Lavender, and Lace. And again, all the links will be down below. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and this will be in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Thanks so much for stopping by. See ya!